Hello and welcome back. This is part 2 of a birthday service solution in series of practical test-driven development with Node.js. If you haven't watched part 1, I recommend you to go ahead and watch it first. Now let's go ahead and get started with this one. In previous part, we built two units of our solution, friend store and birthday service. Now in this video, we will be building next unit, which is mail service. To send email, we will be using Node Mailer. Let us see how to use it. So first we need to create a transporter with our SMTP, and then we can use send email function. Okay, so with this, let's go and write our expectation. Now let me quickly add node mailer to our dependencies. Node mailer. Yep. Now let's write test for our mail service. We'll describe our mail service. We want our mail service to have send mail function, which will send mail with our options. It should send mail with provided options. Okay, so like this, send mail and we will provide options to it, to whom we want to send mail and from whom, right? We want our send mail function to first create transporter and then use that transporter to send email. So let's fake it first. Fake create transport equals to cnone.fake, which will return our fake transporter, which means it will have object with send mail function, right? And that send mail will be also a fake function, so let's create that one as well. Fake send mail to cnone.fake, and it resolves. Okay, now let's tell cnone to replace node mailer create transport function in it with our fake create transport function, right? Now we expect fake create transport to be called once to be true, and we also expect fake send mail function called once with exactly options that we pass, right, to be true. Okay, now let's define these options quickly. Okay, so we have our test ready with us, and let's go ahead and run it. First thing, we will need to import cnone require cnone. Then we also want to import node mailer. Yeah, okay, right. Now we want to import send mail function from our mail service. Mail service, why it's not suggesting? Okay, yes. Okay, So now let's make this test case pass. So we first expect it to have options parameter. Then we want to import node mailer. And now we first expect our function to call create transport from node mailer, right? Node mailer dot create transport. For now, let's put it as an empty object and store it in transport. If we now run our test, our first expectation would be fulfilled, but our next expectation is not yet. So let's do that. Now let's actually call send mail function of that transporter and with these options. So now our function should pass. Yes, it's passing. Yeah, with this we have our service ready, and now we can test all our units and see all of them are passing. With this we have successfully implemented our solution. As always, I will be providing GitHub link in description, so feel free to check it out. Give a big thumbs up if you like this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.